Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to find your Cash App card PIN quickly and easily in 2025. If you've forgotten your PIN or just want to check it, I've got you covered. First, open your Cash App on your phone and log in. Next, tap the Cash Card tab on the home screen. It's a little card icon at the bottom. Now, tap on the image of your cash card to open the settings. Look for the option called Change PIN or Change Cash Card PIN and tap it. You will be asked to enter a current PIN to verify your identity. If you don't remember it, Cash App will guide you through a verification process using your fingerprint, Face ID, or security code synced to your phone. Once verified, you can view or reset your PIN. If you just want to see your current PIN, Cash App usually requires you to enter it the first for security reasons. So, if you forget it, your best option is to reset it. Create a new 4-digit PIN that's easy for you to remember, but hard for the other guys. That's it. Now you know how to find or reset your Cash App card PIN fast and safely. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Catch you in the next one.